Okay, this is a brief tutorial about using the quest editor in SCUM. It's fairly simple. Basically, you get the thing, you put it anywhere you want, and extract it into a folder. Basically, mine's on my desktop. And then you double click on the thing and it brings up this. Close this because it's white. First thing is it's going to automatically go new quest. So if you can either go file new quest or it's automatically going to go new quest. Associated NPC is which trader is going to give you the quest. Piece of cake. Or just hit bartender. Quest title, find statue. That's basically blank. I've written find statue in there. I've basically filled one out already for it. Quest description. Go to the Z4 island and find a statue at the graveyard. And then time how many hours until they completed. Rewards, you can give them money, $1,000. You can give them gold, which is 0. You can give them fame, 10. You can give them a skill point reward. Basically, you can choose one of the skills. Camouflage, you can give them 1,000 experience into it. We go cancel. We go this one here. We go into there, and then we go metabolism. If I go to wherever camouflage is, down there, that will give me an extra 1,000 XP onto my experience towards the next level. So that's that. So basically, because I'm on an island, I've gone aviation to give you 1,000 experience towards that. You can add a trade deal to it. So basically, you can choose an item on here. Go beef stew, or you can just search for it. Beef stew, and then how much it's going to cost you in this deal. I don't know, $1. How many you get from it? You can get 10, and the fame requirement. So okay, and that gives you that. And then go OK, and that adds it onto there. I've already got ravioli because ravioli is the best. Or you can click remove. You can also go up there and click remove skill if you don't want it. If you want to change it, you double click on it and it brings up the same menu again. Conditions. There's 3 different types of conditions. There's eliminations, which is killing stuff, fetching stuff, or interacting with stuff. If we go to elimination, you basically the caption is what you're going to see on your quest. It's going to say kill these things, kill these targets, and you can go can be auto completed, means that once you've completed it, it'll immediately complete. If you go into elimination properties, you can set the target. It's either other players, puppets, razors, the yellow sentries, the black sentries, armed NPCs, or specific zombies or specific animals. Or we can go, oh, actually, we just got this, go puppet, go OK, and then the amount to kill, 10. 1,000. And then edit allowed weapons, that's the weapon you have to use. So basically, if you go improved knife, then you have to kill 1,000 puppets with improved knife. Or you can go that and a hunter, that and a Mission Impossible knife. Or you can leave it blank and it says any weapon. And you can choose map location. If you go edit map location, we go back into the game and we go Control C, then we go T, Control V. That gives me my current location. So if I go back to the quest editor and then copy it into this one here, Control V, and go parse, that adds it onto there, which is my current locations, current location, and then we go size factor is 1. There's 1 is approximately 300 meters. So if I go OK, go add and select, that means that they have to kill 1,000 puppets within this 300 meter radius, diameter. Sorry. Go OK. Go save, and that adds it into there. You can go fetch condition, collect me stones, and then we go fetch properties. We go player keeps the item, so player gets to keep the stones when it's completed. Disable purchase of stones. Go add required items, We go into here, we go search, we go stone, there we go, small stones, we go apply, okay, but just change that. This required amount is 1, or you go. You have to bring you 50 stones, which is really ridiculous, or a random thing. There's the health and the uses and the weight you can set to items. Cooking properties, whether it's raw or cooked or ruined, etc. And we apply. That's it. So 50 stones, go OK. And you can also put them in an application, which means you'd have to find them in the same thing. And that adds that to. If you want to get rid of something, because that's just ridiculous, click remove selected. If you want to get rid of that, go that one there. For interaction, I've already put one, which is I'll put touch a statue. This is like can be auto completed, so once you've touched the statue, it completes. You don't have to go back to the trader. Go interaction properties. It's basically how many you need. Minimum needed is 1, maximum needed is 2, because I've got 2 set into it. Go edit interaction locations. It's got 2 there. So what I'm going to do, I've already got 2 there, and I'm just going to add one of the same ones. Go add location. It's got use get mesh info. Recommended. We go into the game. Get out of the seat. Find a statue. I don't know if there's any other statues around. I've already used these 2, but I'll use one again for the sake of it. Then we'll go hash get mesh info. Press enter while looking at it. That comes up with this. Who's a bunch? If I copy all of that, Control C. Just go back inside while stop the birds from chirping. Have a rest. Go back into the thingy. Go get mesh info and paste that into there. And go apply. It adds that statue to the list. Except for it's already on the list, so I'm just going to remove it. So you can go put one in and then go to another one. Get mesh info, get the mesh info, paste it in there, and then it comes up with a second one. So if you go get mesh, if there's like multiple statues like this one here, it's got left, go. If it's got multiple statues like this one here, basically on this quest I've got that statue there and that statue there. So that's that. So that's how I've set this quest up. And then so basically the minimum needed is 1, maximum needed is 2, so it's either going to be 1 or 2 for the quest. It's up to the computer to decide. And we go OK, and that's that one there. Then we go file, we go save. In single player, you need to find where your quest folder is. Basically for me, it's going to be users, user, because I don't have a thing set up, app data, local, down to SCUM, saved, config, Windows no editor, quest, and then you want to go into the override folder and drop your quest into there. See, mine's already in there. So once you've added a quest, it'll go. You need to put it into this folder. When you have a server restart, it will go into the. It will add it to the server. So if I go into here, I'll go sandbox, go load that one there. Just ignore the name. It's tribute to Rusty. For while I'm testing. This is me in the same location. I'm not going to go to the trader. I'm just going to force the quest to work because I'm on single player. So we'll go quests, hash quests, and then we'll go start quest. And then it was find a statue. Find statue JSON. Go enter. That's effectively made me go to the trader and get it. So if we go journal, find statue. It says tier 1, find statue, go to the island, find a statue. Touch a statue. It's just one, obviously, and those are the rewards that I get. And it's automatically assumed that it's from the bartender in Z3. It's random because I've done start quest. And so I can go there. And go touch statue, completed. If I do it again, that's this one here. So, the other thing that I haven't said with this is if I've got this one here. Okay, so if I click that one there, spawn only if needed. That's the one I was looking for. If I decheck that, or if I check that, then it will be like it currently is. Save. And then if I go like this, force the quest to start, I only need one to complete the quest, so it only brings up one of the two. So if I go complete that, if I go out of the game, we'll go back to this thing here, and then we go this one here, and we go uncheck that, we go save, we go file, save quest, find statue, override it, yes, and then we go continue, back into the game, and then we force start the quest again. All of the statues will glow even if I've only got one. It's come up with two this time, which is annoying. I'll do that again. Find a statue. So now I only need to find one, but both of them are glowing. So that is enough. So basically, in one of my other quests, I've got 6. So if I just go into this work journal, power generation. So all this information, turn on 3 generators, 3 turbines, sorry, and then I get that reward. If I go, get rid of this, map teleport, send myself to the dam, hopefully I'm above the ground, yes I am. That's good timing. I mean, you'll swing anyway. But we'll go on here. Oh look, there's human class. There's 6 things. So I only need 3. 1, 2. Hello. 3. Complete. Piece of cake. Go on. Oh, got an ammo. That doesn't matter. But anyway, that's just me showing that off. So that is how you complete that one. Do that.